invite the Council for the Governor to proceed to make your opening statement. Your time starts running from now. Not more than 30 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I will be doing 5 minutes. My learned senior, Mr. Ongoya, will do the remaining bit. Before I sit ground to my learned friend, I thought, honorable senators, that I should remind you of remarks made by the team representing the County Assembly in November 2023 when we were here for the last impeachment. Council representing the County Assembly predicted, or rather prophesied, that we will be back here. But Council then was very quick to put a disclaimer that though he's not a prophet, neither does he come from a family of prophets, he was sure that we would be here. And for sure, we are here today. So the question is, if Council was not a prophet, does not come from a family of prophets, how could he predict with precision that indeed we would be here? And the prediction comes to pass. Honorable senators, I came across a quotation by Abraham Lincoln and Peter Drucker, who said, the surest way to predict the future is to create it. So they went and created this moment. That's why they were able to predict that we would be here. They created another impeachment while they were still standing prosecuting their previous impeachment motion. Honorable senators, how did they do this? They went back, and we will have evidence to show that one day after the Senate discharged the Senate of all the charges, they were gathered in Nairobi, retreats were held to create a new impeachment motion based on lies. So the people before you today, the County Assembly of Meru, are liars. Pathological liars, honorable senators. They went and created lies. Not just the ordinary lie, honorable senators, but pathological lies. And a pathological lie, honorable senators, is a lie that is not only untrue, but a lie that is created and believed by the very person who has created that lie. So what they did is to create a lie.
Senator Mungatana, you will have an opportunity to make intervention on this opening statement when the